Hey guys, Pete Coman here on the Panasonic stand at InfoComm 2019 in Orlando, and I wanted to show you this really cool lens that they've come up with. It's a snorkel lens, and it's obviously similar to what Epson have created a number of years ago, but the benefit of this one is you can see instead of firing off and underneath the projector like the Epson one does, it actually fires off onto the side. So Epson have a 0 offset, and in the past Panasonic have used a mirrored lens, just like Sony and a lot of the other manufacturers have. But this one is less than 0. So you'll see, if I move back a little bit here, that it actually can shoot higher than the lens position. Okay, and it's not obviously shooting, it doesn't have to avoid shooting underneath the projector itself. So yeah, something a little bit different there, you're firing off on the side, but yeah, great idea. And for those situations where you need ultra short throw projection, but you have a limited ceiling height where you can't have a 45-degree mirrored lens, and you need something that is at least 0, or in this case, better than 0 offset. So that's a new lens from Panasonic.